Knives were one of the first tools ever invented by man, and even after thousands of years, we are still finding ways to innovate on this tool while preserving its traditions and the timeless feel. But how do you make it affordable without compromising quality? You start with what truly matters: sharpness, comfort, durability, precision, and you push them to their absolute limit. They said it couldn't be done, but we did it, all thanks to our collaboration with Japanese master bladesmiths who shared their craftsmanship with us. We took all that knowledge and implemented it into our latest project, Matsato Osurin. The material was the first thing we had to get right. We chose genuine Japanese steel, highly renowned among knife collectors for its ability to hold its edge longer and resist corrosion. And corrosion is a big deal. Traditional Damascus requires more maintenance, but with Matsato Osurin you get the look and the quality, so you get the best of both worlds at a fraction of the cost. Next, we address sharpness by keeping the edge razor thin for easy, precise cuts, and the curved blade follows the cut more naturally. It helps reduce the downward pressure you need to make an accurate cut. It doesn't simply cut, it glides through. It's inspired by the same geometric principle used for samurai katanas. The handle was another challenge. Different types of wood offer different benefits and drawbacks. Picking one was too challenging, so we used two different types of wood instead. A rougher texture at the front for better grip, and a smoother one for your palm. The result was exceptional. It gave Osurin a distinct style not found in many other knives on the market. This wasn't an accident either. We actually got in touch with knife collectors and asked them what makes a knife stand out. What features make a knife worthy of being a collector's item instead of just another tool in the drawer? We had to nail the wow factor. We don't usually think of knives when looking for gifts, but with the Osurin, you can. The packaging, rustic design, dual wood handle, and Damascus pattern give this knife a premium look while staying within a gift budget. The reception for this knife was overwhelming. We couldn't believe how much people liked it. The only downside was the supply. We played it too safe and didn't produce enough. We put a lot of care into each knife so we can give our customers the best, even if it means taking longer to ship them, but we know they are worth it. We encourage our customers not to wait and secure theirs while they're still available. And if they change their minds, we will gladly take them back within 30 days. Check out our website for more information and available discount offers.